guys, very happy Eid Mubarak to every single person watching. This is our third Eid in a row social distance, which means that we're not going out, no one's coming in, but that is not going to stop me from getting ready. So yeah, that's what I did. I have so much sample size makeup and I've been wanting to film this video for a while, just testing out all my sample makeup products and creating like a full face look with that, and that's what I did today. So if you guys are interested in seeing what sample size makeup products I used, continue watching. So this is my Stila Sheer Color Tinted Moisturizer Baby Makeup. It's SPF 20, which is great because it has sunscreen. This is great makeup to travel, obviously travel friendly makeup, but since I'm not sure when is the next time that I am going to be able to travel anywhere, let me just use it all up at home. And next up is primer. Now this is the primer that I'm gonna use. It is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. I'm gonna put it on my cheeks because that is mostly where I have texture. I've been feeling like unwell all month. I'm not sure why that was. I didn't have any temperature, I wasn't coughing, I wasn't showing any symptoms. I was just feeling weak for some reason. I don't know, it was psychological, was I just stressed out or what, but I'm feeling just so much better today. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this. This is the Milk Cosmetic Blur Stick. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not sure what this does. It's supposed to blur out your imperfections, and I did try to use it once, but I don't see it blurring anything out. So I just wanted to use this for this video because it is sample size, so I was like, why not? And I also wanted to test it out on camera to see if it actually works. Is it blurring anything out? Like, I'm not sure. I guess I'm gonna have to check when I'm editing, and you guys let me know if you notice any difference to my skin after using this thing. I'm not using a foundation today because honestly, I just don't have a sample size foundation. Do they make some? Oh, I did have a sample size foundation. It's kept somewhere. I'm not sure where it is. So anyway, for this video, I am using the CC Cream by It Cosmetics. Again, it is SPF 50, which is great. It says your skin but better. So I am just going to use it. This is pretty good. 3 dots here, 3 dots there. All the products are going to be in the description section, so you can check them out if you are interested. I think I was just feeling weak because there's just so much misery in the world right now. Like every day now, it's better, thankfully. Initially, every day of this month and half of last month, I heard about someone's passing, and I think that's why it was just making me sick. I guess I was just internalizing everything, which is not a good idea, but I was, and that was kind of making me just feel sick, and I was just, you know, stressed out and lashing out at people for no reason. I think that's the reason why I was just feeling weak. Stress is so bad, but it's also something that you can't completely avoid. It's going to sooner or later just slap you in the face and be like, feel me. And it's also important to kind of feel everything. I feel like, you know, we need to stop running away from emotions just because they are negative. I mean, you gotta feel it, man. If you don't feel everything bad, then you won't know when you're happy, right? That's how you know you're happy, because you compare. So anyway, that's a little philosophy from my side. Very cute sample size powder, Makeup Forever. This is their micro finish powder. I'm just going to use this to set, and I'm just going to drop a little bit. I'm going to use my fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend all of that primer, CC cream, that blur stick, whatever the hell it blurred, I'm not sure. This powder is really fine milled. Like, wow, it's really fine milled. It has great reviews, so it is my first time using it, and it's so smooth. I really like it. I'm not supposed to have ice. Shh, don't tell my mom. Guys, I'm using this as a base. This is the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick in Rose Gold. This is by The Balm Cosmetics. Such cute packaging, and the color is just this. It's kind of like a taupe color, brownish gray, and it kind of goes really well with my outfit. I actually have eyeshadows that go completely with my outfit, but they are not sample size. So I am committed to the title of this video. Sample size means sample size. I did make siway last night and it turned out pretty well, so I'm quite happy. Yeah, when I make things, it's usually very, very hit or miss. Sometimes I do a good job, sometimes it's barely edible. And what I've noticed is it's usually like the simplest recipes with like 4 ingredients that taste the best. And then I'm gonna use a flatter, another sample size makeup. This is by Nomad. This is the shade. I am just going to use it on the center of my eyelid. Just like, use my darker taupe-ish eyeshadow. You can use a Q-tip for this. Highlighter, I'm using this one by Becca Cosmetics, Prismatic Amethyst. It's pretty. I'm using my Tarte blush. Okay, I think it focused now. Because it's so natural, you don't have to worry about it going everywhere. With the very, very pigmented blushes, it can be a little tricky because sometimes you end up looking like a raccoon face. And I'm gonna top it with another sample size blush that I have. The good thing about sample size makeup is like you just get to try so many different brands that you have never even heard of. Just gonna focus this on my cheekbones. It's a nice, pretty, like peachy, orangey, corally. I don't think that they have yet come up with sample-sized brow products. Have they? If they have, then please let me know in the comment section because I need to be enlightened. I'm always open to new information, but I don't have any sample-sized brow product, but I am committed to the title of this video, so I am still going to improvise. Eyeshadow that I used for my eyes, and I'm gonna take one of these brushes and I'm going to fill in my brows. I've never done this before, so I'm not sure how that is going to look. No, that's a flop because I have black brows and this is brown. Favorite Better Than Sex sample size mascara. I used to never bother with mascaras because it's such a pain to remove it. I discovered oils, cleansing oils. You literally just whoosh and it's gone. It's amazing. I have a post about it on my website. Some of the best cleansing oils and cleansing balms out there. I will link it in the description section if you guys are interested. I would really, really recommend that you look into that because most of the damage that we do to our skin just washing and cleansing our skin. So if you know the correct products to use and if you know the right method to use, you can avoid a lot of damage. I'm gonna use that same brush that I tried earlier. That was a flop, and I'm just going to stick it in my mascara and I'm gonna try this again. Yeah, much better, but I'm not sure. You guys will let me know. Just gonna use my lip balm. This is again by Milk Cosmetics. It's in the shade Green Dragon. Don't worry, it has no shade in it. This is just to prep my dry lips. Next, I'm gonna line my lips with another sample-sized product by Sephora. It's their Contour Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Nothing But Nude. And for the lipstick, I am confused between 2 shades. One is by Fenty Beauty and the other is by Sephora. Fenty Beauty one is in the shade Flamingo Acid. They're both pinks, but they are just different shades of pinks. This is the Fenty one, and this is the Sephora one. But I'm just feeling more drawn to this product, so I'm just gonna use this one. It's a very nice light shade. And finally, I'm gonna use a lip topper on top of that. This one is by Urban Decay. Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. It just adds like a nice sparkle to your lips. And finally, I'm gonna set my face with another sample size product. This I have used several times. This is a setting spray by Cover FX. It's really good and I'm almost done with it, so I just want to finish it up before I move on to the other product. And that is it for my Eid look, all sample size products. I did not cheat even once, so I'm pretty happy with myself right now. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'll wish you guys a lot of peace and relaxation, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!